Hello, hello. We're back yet again for another helpful tilt brush tutorial that's sure to take your digital artwork from meh to not so meh. As always, we have our resident cool guy, George Peaslee, here in the studio to help us out. And today we'll be taking a closer look at Tilt Brush's various guide tools. Available only in advanced mode, these immensely helpful instruments can be total lifesavers when it comes to creating accurate, exact sketches. This is because the guide tools have the ability to snap to whatever brush you're currently using. There are multiple shapes to choose from, such as the cube, the sphere, and the pill shape. Independently, these each serve a handful of purposes, but once resized or combined together with others, these deceitfully simple guides become an artist's best friend, especially for those working in the third dimension for the first time. Once you have the shape that's relatively close to what you're looking for, you can then pin the guide in place by hitting the trigger while simultaneously gripping said guide. This prevents any accidental selection while in the middle of your session. And once you're satisfied, unpin the guide that lies beneath your newly created object and toss it away. No, seriously, you can literally throw it away. You can also at any point hide your guides, giving you a better look at your art while you work. And those are the guide tools. Simple little instruments serving as the perfect safety nets for any artist, amateur, or professional. After all, we could all use a little helping hand now and then.